Hi guys, with the upcoming exams, I decided to make videos where I go through past papers of Lean Langstone schooners so that we can see what questions they like to ask and how they ask it so that you are prepared for the exam. I am going to read these questions in English. Here and there, where there's something important, I will tell you the Afrikaans word, but for me, it's more important that you know what they asked. You're welcome to pause the video to see the exact Afrikaans wording, and I will post the link of where I found these question papers and memos, and then you can look at it yourself. Let's go. Okay, we are looking at November 2024. Okay, we start with text here. It's Lynn that knows her mom won't eat. Her mom says nighty night. She thinks about Bram's schoolbroek that she needs to fix. Her mom is already snoring, lying with her clothes on the bed. Brahm is just watching TV. She's frustrated because she has to do it. She's struggling with the needle. She looks to the mirror and she says, "Ek haat jou." 4.1. Complete the following paragraph factually correctly by writing the missing words from the novel. Vandat die jooste meer as 'n, and then they say you should put a tydperk, a time period in. So vandat hulle meer as 'n gelede woonstel toe getrek het. So you need to know, when did they move into the woonstel? And the answer is 'n jaar of 'n jaar en 'n half gelede. Is Lien en Bram albei in hoërskool? And they want to know the name. Jacaranda. Lien word gedwing om die huishouding oor te neem. Bram lê eerder voor die televisie. Hy kyk oor en oor na wat oor die gesin? What is he watching about the family? Videos of flicks? Tannie wie het vir Lien werk by 'n koffiewinkel gekry? And the answer is Bets. So this is the second paper where they ask a question about Tannie Bets here. 4.2. Why does Lean's mother almost never eat anymore? The answer, she drank too much. She's an alcoholic. Sy het te veel gedrink. Sy is 'n alkoholist. 4.3. What happened later in the novel to Lean's mother and her work after she was often absent? And the answer is, she lost her job at Home Affairs. Sy het haar werk by Binnelandse Sake verloor. 4.4. Bram mutters something, but Lean says nothing. Choose the correct answer. From these words, we learn that the children, and is it were scared of the mother, were busy with their own things, were tired after a long day. No, it is die. Hulle is gewoond aan hierdie optrede van hulle ma. They are used to this behavior from their mother. 4.5. How does the eerste children's life in the apartment and die woonstel verskil, differ from the life they were used to before? So it's for 2 marks, meaning you have to say one thing about the life in the woonstel and one thing about their previous life. So there's many. I'm just going to pick the easiest ones. So easiest one, the life in the apartment. Their father is in jail or not there. Hulle pa's in die tronk, nie teenwoordig nie. Where, previous life, the father was part of the family. Hy was deel van die gesin. Or, in the apartment, die woonstel, there's little money. They always eat the same food. Previous life, they had enough money. Hulle het genoeg geld gehad. In die woonstel, they no longer have pets. Previous life, hulle het troeteldiere gehad wat hulle lief gehad het. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.6.1. Na wie verwys hom in reël 16? Who is that hom? Lean se pa. What does Lean mean when she says that she hates him? Lean is angry with her father, practically hates him because he caused their family to end up in their current situation. Lean is kwaad vir haar pa, of sy haat haar pa, omdat hy hulle in hierdie situasie laat beland het. Of, indirek, is dit haar pa se skuld dat sy moet bedel vir geld. Indirectly, it's her dad's fault that she now has to beg for money so that they can survive. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.7. Lean experiences a lot of inner conflict about her mother. Choose the correct answer from the brackets. Al voel Lean opstandig teenoor haar ma, tree sy sorgsaam en verantwoordelik of onverantwoordelik op teenoor haar ma en Bram. En dit is verantwoordelik. And then 4.7.2, motivate your answer. Lean fixes Bram's school pants. Sy maak Bram se skoolbroek reg. She visited her mom at the clinic. Sy het haar ma in die kliniek besoek. Sy is steeds verantwoordelik. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. Very important. Please have a look at that yellow arrow there at the bottom. It says that you have to have the correct answer at 4.7.1 in order to get the mark if you have the correct answer at 4.7.2. But if you said onverantwoordelik at 4.7, you're obviously not going to get that mark, but you also can't get the correct mark even if you wrote one of these answers at 4.7.2. 4.8. Why can we say that Bram behaved wrongly in the situation the family found themselves in? Bram did not help with anything. Bram het met niks gehelp nie. Or was often not at the apartment. Hy was dikwels nie by die woonstel nie, but he didn't lift a finger. 4.9. Lean had to learn to deal with external conflict. Choose the cause of the conflict from column B that matches the character. Okay, so Christine Jooste is E. Sy het veroorsaak dat Lean meer pligte gehad het om uit te voer. Because of her, Lean had to do so much more for the family. Tant Mali is C. Sy het probeer om werkers uit te buit. Roos is A. Sy het Lean as kompetisie by die bedelplek beskou. She first saw her as competition. And then D. Sproet het 'n heeltemal verkeerde idee gehad van wat Lean op die straathoek doen. This is the second paper that we get the specific question about Sproet at this specific question. Okay, now we are at text H, and in this passage we realize that it is where Lean is visiting her dad in jail. Okay, now we are at 4.10. Skryf die volgende gebeure onder mekaar neer in die korrekte volgorde soos wat dit in die roman gebeur het. So order this in order of how it happened in the book. So, the first one is, Lean het 'n pruik en 'n brilletjie uit die rekwisitekamer geleen. That happened first. Then, Lean se ma het dronk by die skool opgedaag. Nommer 3 is, Lean het by Mimi se huis gaan kuier. En 4 is, Lean het Hein se hulp met Tibby se karretjie gevra. 4.11.1. When Frank sê julle sukkel, ek is jammer. Choose the correct answer. Hierdie woorde van Lean se pa is ironies, is it ironic of manipulerend? As 'n mens dink aan hoe die Jooste gesin in hierdie situasie beland het. So, is it ironic or manipulative if you think of how the family ended up in their situation? The answer is ironies. And 4.11.2 says, motivate your answer. So, it is his fault that the family is in this financial situation. Sy skuld dat die gesin in hierdie finansiële situasie is. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.12. Niemand het aan julle studiepolisse geraak nie. What is the figurative meaning of these words? So, niemand het die geld daarvan gebruik nie. Nobody used the money from them. Of die studiefondse is steeds veilig. It is still safe. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.13. Lean se pa is in die tronk omdat hy dronk was. Drunk. Gee 'n feit uit die roman om te sê waarom hierdie stelling onwaar is. Give a fact from the novel to show that this statement is false. He wasn't in jail because he was drunk. Nee. Lean se pa was in die tronk omdat hy geld verduister of gesteel het of bedrog gepleeg het. He embezzled or stole or committed fraud. 4.14. Jy is nie meer my poplap nie. Choose the correct answer from the brackets. My poplap is personifikasie of 'n metafoor en dit is 'n metafoor. What does this mean in the context of this text? Lean is no longer her dad's little girl. She has grown up. Lean is nie meer haar pa se kleindogtertjie nie. Sy het groot geword. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.15. Lean made a great effort to bring her father a packet of droewors. In this situation, the droewors is a symbol of, and the answer is B. Lean se behoefte om haar pa te vergewe. Lean's need to forgive her dad. 4.16. Why can we say that Lynn's behavior towards her father during this visit set a good example for others? En die answer is Lynn wys dat jy nie altyd kwaad kan bly vir iemand nie. Of Lynn wys dat jy soms die eerste stap moet neem om met iemand te gaan praat. Lynn shows that you can't stay angry at someone forever. Or Lynn shows that you sometimes have to take the first step to go and talk to someone. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.17. How do we know that Lynn's visit to her mother in the clinic had a positive effect on her, on Lynn? The answer is, sy besef dat haar ma regtig probeer het om beter te word. Or another easy answer, sy besef dat almal nie ewe sterk is nie. She realizes that her mother really tried to get better. Or she realizes that not everyone is equally strong. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.18. How does the writer succeed in making the reader feel that Lynn's father wasn't entirely bad? And an easy answer there is, die skrywer noem dat hy studiepolisse vir die kinders gehad het. He made provision for them to go and study. 4.19. A major moment in the novel is the school concert. 4.19.1. What positive effect did this have on Lynn's life? And two of the easy answers are Lynn het meer vriende gehad. Lynn was deel van 'n groep. She had more friends and she became part of a group. Of sy het besef dat sy van drama hou of drama wou studeer. She realized that she loves acting, that she wanted to go and study acting. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.19.2. What lesson about life opportunities do you learn from Lynn in this situation? So I've realized that they like to ask a question about what do you think or what did you learn? And in this case, what did you learn from Lynn about life opportunities? And again, there are many. I'm going to read you two easy ones. Ek het geleer dat ek die kans om iets nie te probeer moet gebruik. You have to use this moment to try something new. Of ek het geleer dat ek my talente moet gebruik. You learned that you should use your talents. Please pause to have a look at all the answers. 4.19.3. How does this moment connect to the ending of the novel when thinking about Christine Jooste as a character? Now we're thinking of Lynn's mom. Hoe sluit hierdie hoofmoment by die slot van die roman aan as jy aan Christine Jooste as karakter dink? And again, I'm going to read you three easy ones. Christine Jooste is nie meer in die kliniek nie. She's not in the clinic anymore. Of Christine Jooste het weer klavier gespeel vir mense. She played the piano in front of people. Or Christine Jooste was netjies aangetrek. She was dressed nicely. Okay, I hope that this helped you. Have a look at the other videos where we go through other past papers, and good luck with the exam. Okay guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.